Welcome to our lesson about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Hafeez, the protector. Allah is the one who watches over and protects everything in the universe, from the tiniest ant to the biggest mountain. Today, we'll learn about this wonderful name and understand how Allah keeps us safe every day. Let's understand what Al-Hafeez means by looking at things we see in our daily lives. Just like how your parents hold your hand when crossing the street to keep you safe, Allah protects us even more. Think about how an umbrella shields you from the rain, keeping you dry and comfortable, or imagine a strong shield that protects a brave warrior in battle. Allah's protection is even stronger and more complete than all of these examples combined. Let me tell you an amazing story about Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. When he told people to worship only Allah, some people became very angry. They decided to throw him into a huge fire, but Allah, Al-Hafeez, was watching over him. When they threw Prophet Ibrahim into the fire, something incredible happened. Allah commanded the fire, "O fire, be cool and safe for Ibrahim." And just like that, the blazing fire transformed into a cool and peaceful place. The fire didn't harm Prophet Ibrahim at all. Instead, it became like a beautiful garden where he sat peacefully. This shows us how complete Allah's protection is when He decides to protect someone. Here's another wonderful story about Allah's protection. When baby Musa was born, his mother was very worried because Pharaoh was hurting all the baby boys. But Allah guided her to place baby Musa in a basket and send him down the river. As the little basket floated on the water, Allah, Al-Hafeez, was watching over baby Musa every moment. Allah's protection was so perfect that He not only kept baby Musa safe in the water, but also made sure he returned to his own mother's arms. While everyone else was looking for him, baby Musa was protected right under Pharaoh's nose, growing up safely with his own mother taking care of him. Allah's protection is with us every single day, even when we don't realize it. When you're sleeping peacefully in your bed at night, Allah is protecting you. When you're learning and playing at school, Allah is watching over you. While you're having fun with your friends, or when you're not feeling well and need to get better, Allah's protection never leaves you. Whenever you feel scared or need protection, you can always call upon Allah using His beautiful name, Al-Hafeez. Simply say, Ya Hafeez, O Protector. Allah loves it when His servants call upon Him, and He is always ready to protect those who ask for His protection. Let's remember what we learned today about Al-Hafeez. Allah is the ultimate protector who never sleeps and never gets tired of protecting His creation. He protected Prophet Ibrahim from the fire, kept baby Musa safe in the river, and He protects each one of us every single day. Remember, whenever you need protection, Allah Al-Hafeez is always there for you, ready to keep you safe and secure.